Hey everybody, this is Miss G, and I just wanted to do a quick week 12 overview, especially because we're transferring from looking at argument and public writing to text analysis, which is academic writing. So I will have the week 12 announcement by the time that you guys see this video. But I'm going to go in here into content and just kind of take a quick look at our course schedule to kind of review things coming up. I'm going to scroll all the way down to week 12, and we are starting academic writing. You do want to make sure that you are reading the Norton Field Guide pages, and if you are still having some trouble with the textbook, please just let me know. I do have the textbook pages if you need them, but that is the section on analyzing text. So really foundational to helping you understand this genre of writing. Then I have a analyzing text activity, which will help you practice this skill. So if you want to take a look at this activity, essentially this is an activity designed to help you practice the skills of analyzing a text. So if you click on this link right here, it'll take you to the text analysis steps. So I'll click, and it's a little hard, but as you can see, I've broken it down into the steps of analyzing a text. Step 1, choose the text that you're interested in analyzing. And guys, when I say choosing a text, it can be a song, a poem, a piece of literature, a video game, an article, a speech, maybe a character. I've had students do, last semester I had 2 really cool papers, one on Outer Banks, the Netflix series, another one on another Netflix series. Somebody did a character analysis on Joe from the series You. I've had some cool text analysis. This is a fun assignment, so I hope you guys choose a text that's exciting to you and that's easy for you to analyze, to break it down into its parts and determine what its deeper meaning is. And that step 2 is, what do you think is the deeper meaning or the purpose of the text? Then step 3, what elements, strategies, tools, what things are going on in the text that help develop that meaning? So depending on the text you choose, these may be different. So make sure you are looking at the example so you can kind of get an idea. And then step 5, how do the elements, the structure, how do all of those components work together to contribute to that deeper meaning or that takeaway message. So, and essentially that is how you frame your paper. I have a sample thesis frame here for some of you, so you guys can read this in a little more detail when you go to do the activity. Oops, let me go back. And okay, so I also have a text analysis explained video. So this is a really goofy YouTube video of me explaining text analysis. So please take some time to watch that video. And then even goofier is a video of me analyzing the music video of Shiny from the Disney film Moana. So I had some fun with that. I hope you have some fun with it. It was really goofy. So those are some examples for you. Then I have 2 different videos that you'll watch and you'll practice the steps of text analysis. So in a Word document, you can either do step by step, or you can just write a little body paragraph analyzing The Giving Tree and Like a Prayer by Madonna. So you'll watch these 2 videos, perform the steps of text analysis on those, and then submit that document as your assignment. Make sure it is in MLA format, and if you need to touch up on that, here's the DSC Prezi on that. Let me go back to our course schedule. And all the way down, here we are at week 12. Quiz number 3 is due this week, and that is based entirely on the text analysis reading. So just make sure that you are doing the reading. And guys, remember, you have 2 whole hours to take these quizzes. So feel free to open your textbook, have the reading open while you're taking the quiz. I strongly encourage that. And then finally, we have the week 12 discussion. So let's see. Oh, and it led us to the week 11. So I'll have to make sure I change the name of that. But essentially, this is just you guys talking about which text you might like to analyze and practicing those analytical claims. So essentially, start thinking about a few ideas, and then as you read each other's ideas, give each other feedback, help each other develop your ideas. And that's it, guys. That's this week in a nutshell. So I look forward to seeing what you guys come up with. And I hope you guys have a great week. As always, you can email me if you have any questions or need anything. And it's going to be a great week. Bye, guys.